Campaign is trying to cut down on an expensive and unsightly roadside problem. ABC 15's Nick Van Zandt joins us now. And Nick, you found one particular kind of trash is actually costing us pretty big.
Yeah, you see this all of the time, but you might not realize just how big of an impact this has. Cigarette butts, ones that you just see all over the place. They are the hardest thing to pick up. They are the most expensive thing to pick up, and they are also the most common, representing about 40% of all the trash you see on the roads. Drivers might say it's just one cigarette, but picking up one after another adds up fast. $3 million a year to pick up cigarette butts and other roadside trash in Maricopa County alone.
We continue to increase in lane miles and in population, and so the problem can get bigger and bigger.
It's not just the cost, though. Officials say discarded cigarettes seep chemicals into the water supply when it rains, are very hard for roadside crews to pick up, and cause accidents when the tobacco draws wildlife closer to the road.
People, instead of wanting to trash the environment in their vehicle, they're trashing the environment for the rest of us.
To try and cut down on roadside litter, Maricopa Association of Government officials want you. They've launched a new website with a special contact section. That way, if you see someone littering, all you have to do is call or fill out this form, and officials will contact the driver. Kelly Taft has done it several times already.
Oh, it's one of my biggest pet peeves. And they get a letter in the mail explaining some of these things we've talked about and how expensive and dangerous and environmentally toxic cigarette butts are.
Now, if you get one of those letters in the mail, it does not constitute an actual fine, but if a police officer or if a highway patrol person sees you, that could be a $500 littering ticket. Back to you.